What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Vibe by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial and I won't have to throat punch you in the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Wow, really? I'm trying to film here! I would like to start this video off by saying this was a special request by username William Diaz, so big shouts! I appreciate all the requests, you guys. I'm going to try and get to as many of them as possible, so keep sending those in. Now, this song starts out in standard tuning, and as always, I will have the guitar tab that I made myself for this in the bottom of the description, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, check the bottom of the video description. It will be there for you. You're going to be starting with kind of an A minor chord here. It's just going to be 0, 0, 2, 0, 1, 0. And you're going to be picking A, D, open B, D, 1 on the B, open B. So and then just D, G. So A, D, B, D, B, B, G, or D, G. Again, A, D, B, D, B, B, D, G. That plays twice. You're going to put your ring finger on the A string on the 3rd fret, and you're going to pick that same exact picking pattern once. It's the same picking pattern as the one that you were just picking. Then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and you're going to pick, it's A, D, G, D, then you put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and that's 2, open, so A, D, so A, D, G, A, D. So again, I'm going to play through this pretty slowly, that way you can see it all and you can hear it all, but if you need the guitar tab, I definitely recommend you getting the guitar tab. It's probably easier to look at that as you're watching me play it to really get it down. So jump into the description, get the guitar tab if you need it. I'm going to play through this pretty slowly for you guys so you can see it. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.